You guys, we're cooking today, okay? We're cooking. We've got a lot of stuff to cook through. No, we don't. Hello, hi everybody. Welcome to the stream. Post the first hype train. Chris Mack got it all out of his system.
These nuts.
My cranium was made if you don't wear
this
black.
is a real
shit.
job.
I know, like this shit that you're
What?
doing now.
What? These nuts.
Shit. That is this stream. Welcome to the world. Max! Okay, if you want to accomplish something and realize you can't anymore, 1204 Dick Sucker's Way is not an address. Okay, who's f***ing ready for some cookies? If you will look over to your f***ing this direction, you will see a recipe on a gravestone of Naomi Odessa Miller-Dawson, who died in 2008. Spritz cookies. These are a Scandinavian cookie that are very popular around Christmas. There's no Sprite in the cookie. There's also no Sprite in the word spritz. No mention of homework. You don't have to do anything but look with your eyes. You don't have to do anything but look with your f***ing eyes. Look with your eyes. Look with your eyes. Look with your eyes. Why aren't you making bread? Because I'm nervous, Jaime. Maybe we can make it tonight together. Can you make it tonight with me together? Come on, Jaime. Put a bun in my oven. Come on. Don't you want to? I promise it'll be worth it. It only takes a couple of months. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. Okay, no one look at my cock pants. You want to see my big rig? You want to see it? Look at it. Okay, what the f is this recipe? Let's get started cooking. Black screen. Oh my god. I think it kills this camera when it does the TikTok redeem. Great! Chris Mack, don't you f***ing dare. Don't you f***ing dare. Joy Evil! This is for you. The double chin angle. I love this angle. God damn it, Chris! Swear to God, Chris! Chris! Okay, we've got our flour. This is f***ing flour. This is normal-ass, normal people flour. Oh wait, I should be in food and drink. Okay, listen. We got 1 cup of butter. We've got 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. I forgot to grab one I mentioned in this. God damn it, Max!
They're nice.
Stop looking at my crotch. All right, I'm gonna soften some f***ing butter, and I'm not gonna put it between my legs to do that. Is this 1 cup? It's probably a cup. Who measures? 1 egg. It's a small egg. I don't want a small egg. I want a normal egg. Where are the eggs? Egg? The recipe is literally on the screen. Why are people confused? You don't have to do anything but look with your f***ing eyes. These are real easy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn on the oven right now. The 170. That's it. Once this cookies are out, then we're done. That's it. We're done.
Shut it down.
Okay, I'm just gonna cream the butter right now. I'm gonna hit the egg in here. Toss the egg. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is less, so I'm gonna add in some vanilla sugar. It'll probably be fine. Okay, now for the dry shit. There's the wet shit. So we got 2 1/4 cup of flour. Wow, we're almost done. 1/8 teaspoon of salt. I don't know, that's probably good like that. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon, that's it? There it goes. Difference between baking powder and baking soda. They're different, so. They are the same thing. Baking powder is different. Well, then they're not the same thing, are they? That's the difference. Now I'm going to put the wet inside the dry. Wetting dries and drying wets and wetting dries and drying wets and so on and so forth. If she made such good recipes, then why is she so dead? These are probably good enough. Sodium bicarbonate is baking soda. Baking powder is sodium bicarbonate plus cream. What's a Spritz cookie? Bro, the recipe? If you will look over to your f***ing this direction, recipe is on the screen. Ketchup, John Mustard. It's a cookie. It's a sugar cookie. How about that? Also, how you doing, Ketchup, John Mustard? Bada bing, bada boom. Super easy. That's it. We're done. It looks like this. And then you take it, then you squish it like Big Rig's balls. Oh my god. What are these pants doing? Okay, someone who's a professional. Should I leave him in a ball or should I press him down? No ghostly cookie cutters. One big cookie. Make dick cookies. You need to get a piping bag with shaped tips. Ball and lightly press down with a fork. I think this is fine. One moose cookie. One moose cookie. What happened to Tiny? Tiny! Oh my god, Tiny's dead! Tiny! Tiny's dead! Tiny's dead! Tiny! I wonder what recipe Tiny will have on his gravestone. Seriously, I don't know what happened to Tiny. Tiny, come back! Can you unplug him? Chris! No! Yeah, Chris, thanks a lot. Thank you. All right, we got a lot of cookies to get through, okay?
There you go.
Okay, these are f***ing Christmas cookies, all right? God damn it. These are f***ing Christmas cookies. Let's do this the goddamn proper way, okay, everybody? I got this for you. I'm too wholesome for this chat? Probably. Oh, yeah.
Giggity.
Roll it out. No, we're making moose now.
Let's see this counter.
Okay, I don't know how many moose I'm gonna end up making over here. One more time for the moose, and then we're doing balls. Oh, yeah. You like that, Big Rig? Why am I not wearing an apron? I'm getting flour on my camel toe. These moose are too thick. One more moose on the tree. Hello, I'm a moose. Look at this. Moose. 10 minutes on the clock. I'm just doing balls from here on out. All right, what do we have here? We got some cookie icing. I got white and green. Big Rig's dick is cup-shaped, and I plan to keep it that way. I need a mushroom cutter-outer. I need a mushroom and a ghost cutter-outer. 10 minutes? I guess they're done. Oh no, they're too done. They smell good. Second round, I just pressed them. 10 mins. Moose number 1. Position 1. Position cock. Oh, I forgot to make a dick cookie. It's too late now. Donate bits to get your name on a dick. Dick. They're really crunchy. I give them a 8 out of 10. Buttery, firm. Max, come and eat the cookies. Ooh, there's a baby. Ooh. Zoom out further. Zoom out further. Zoom out further. Zoom out. Ice your own shit. Let's have a spritz. No, you have to put icing on it, Max. I literally just said that. Who wants a Crémante Loire? Brut Rosé. Thought you were gonna shout. For some reason, I thought you were gonna shout pussy, and I was like, whoa, Max.
Position 1.
Pussy, Sean.
Position 1.
Zoom in closer. Come on, Max. Show him. Show him how it really tastes. Oh, so handsome. Did you enjoy it? Ah! Oh, here it comes! Here it comes! Here it comes! Here it comes! Ah!
Oh! Holy shit.
Edging content. I'm trying to cure Max's hangover. I also caused it. Look at him just squeezing out ropes on top of that. Why did it die?
Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Now we have to try the bigger ones, Max. Squeeze out some ropes. Cookie jizz, nice. Semenax could work for you. Oh no, there's a rope on the floor. Drop this, king. I hate when I have to pick my cum up when I'm down. I'd say they're both equally as good. No, eat for the camera. Eat for the camera, Max. Eat for the camera, yeah? What? Did you just rope on my pants? Maybe some spritz to go with that. Spritz. Naomi's rolling over in her cookie grave.
I'm really not feeling this.
Are you gonna barf?
No.
Oh. You'll feel better. Dudes don't like champagne.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Position 3. Zoom in closer. Track me.
So that's it. We're done cooking. We did it.
Here's a protein drink. This is what it sounds like when I drink it.